He tackled Clive and he should be in the referee's book.
This is the pivot of this team, the playmaker. He goes into every challenge expecting to win it. Now possibilities here, he's got a chance. Good job, they've done it!
Look at the way he controls that, Clive, and he keeps that down hard and low along the floor. Goalkeeper, no chance.
It was a wonderful goal, scored by a man with a wonderful eye for goal. I'm enjoying this, good match. It's 2-0. Whichever way you look at it, that's fine defending. Just to keep it a beat. That's an attempt on goal. Not a problem for this keeper. Piqué. He's through! Didn't stretch the cover. This is quite a run. He can certainly go by a player, can't he? Back off the upright! Didn't let him get the shot away.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Got the ball back out wide. He's in a good position for a cross. Drawn it out.